Threading a Kenmore 1350. Thread spool. This upper bobbin winding button has a hook on the back side, and then the thread comes up and goes through the hook on the front side, down and around the tensioner. Now I'm going to hold the thread and pull until this spring pops up and the thread goes behind that finger. Now the thread goes into this bracket, or this thread guide, and it goes into the take-up arm. And now it's going to go back through this thread guide to the thread guide on the bottom of the door, the thread guide on the needle bar, and then the machine threads from front to rear. Front to rear through the needle.